Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today a cool project. We're going to be using Extreme Caulk and actual patch cracks in a wall and ceiling. Let's do it. At this point I want to direct the attention. We're up at the very top portion where the wall meets the ceiling. I've got a scraper. This is a scraper only. And I'm going to slowly and carefully just scrape this area. I do not want to gouge it. I don't want to dig any holes. I just want to slowly alleviate any extra paint chips or drywall that is hanging out. Here is a close-up of the actual crack, and it is pretty aggressive. It goes from the very top of the wall where it meets the ceiling and goes down a good long portion of the wall. And again, as the temperatures change, the house contracts and expands along with the vibration from the washing machine and dryer. The spackle and cement and mud cannot hold. So let's go ahead and grab the caulk and run a caulk line down this crack. So as you can see, I did not overdo it with the caulk. I did not want an aggressive amount of caulk on this crack. From here, grab your knife and slowly and carefully work that caulk into that crack. And it's also important to know you don't have much time because, as you know, caulk dries pretty quick. And that's turning out pretty darn good. As you can see here. And do your best to make it really fine and not globbed up in any portions. And as you can see, what that caulk does, it basically acts as a glue. Once it enters into that crack, it's going to dry, and it will be a lot more durable and stretchable than that spackle and cement or mud would ever be. From here, I'll continue inserting that caulk in that crack the whole distance down the wall. At this point, I've got the entire right side of the wall all caulked and patched up. I'm going to continue on to the left side, and then after that, we're going to get it ready for painting. And another cool feature about this caulk, you can paint over it any color. And with that said, in the event that you have a big crack on your ceiling, as we do right in front of us in this video, we are going to run you through how to caulk and fix this large crack on the ceiling. So definitely check out the video scrolling at the top. There is a link. Click on that and join us at the next video. That's it. I hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.